Hey everyone, my name is Sarah and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, then welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please do and like this video after you watch it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Umma Beauty box. This is their hair beauty box, I think, for Costco, and I was able to get a package from them. They kindly sent this over. So this is gifted, and I wanted to do an unboxing on YouTube and just to kind of share what's in there. I did get a glimpse of some of the products, but I kind of don't remember what's in there. So yeah, it'll be my first time looking at any of the products that are in here. I haven't even opened the box yet. Like, the tape is still on there. So let's get into it. I don't have a knife, but I do have... I have these tweezers. So I'm just going to use that to kind of rip it open. Don't do this with your tweezers, by the way. Okay. Ooh, so it says... Good hair days are the new good skin days. I don't agree with that. I could have bad hair, but, good skin is so much better, I think. Anyway, sure. Alright, so they sent me a little letter. It says, Dear Sarah O., we're Umma from Korea, and we're excited to finally announce our second curation box, A Good Hair Day of Seoul. We hope you enjoy K-Beauty hair care and would love to hear from you very soon. XOXO, Umma Holdings. Thank you. It's such a cute card, too, and I love green. And this is their pamphlet, or what they sent inside here. Oh, it looks really nice. Okay, I love the green. So I don't know if you guys know about the case full. I forgot what it was, but the case full of Seoul. They did a like a skincare curation for Costco, and it was a pretty big hit. And I think now they're doing a hair box, which is really nice because Korean hair care is really great and cheap, and a lot of people care about their hair as well as their skin here in Korea. So anyways, let's get into it. This box is huge, by the way, and heavy. So it's like this. You have it sealed. Let me go back. So it's sealed with this plastic thing, which I'll take off right now. Also, if I mess up in this video a lot, whatever, because this is an unboxing. If I mess up, I can't unbox it again. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It has four products. Oh my gosh, I can't even count. It has 7 products in here. Sorry, 7 products. You have a shampoo, Scalp Revival Purifying Scrub, Damage Repair Treatment Mask, Hair Essence Delightful Oil, Hair Tonic Revitalizing Hair Tonic A, Repair Shine Enriched Night Cream, and a Volumizing Airbrush. So let's get into this. The box is really nice. Okay, so oops. It comes with a little pamphlet. So it just kind of gives you a beauty plan on the bottom. So, how you should do it, your weekly routine, daily routine, and a quick and go lazy day routine. Yeah, and it just has, the product information in this booklet as well, which is quite nice. So this is what the box looks like this, and it opens up and you can see everything on the door part of the box. So let me take this off. You get a full-size AMH Add More Hair shampoo. It is a full potential cleansing shampoo, and it says formulated with plant-derived ingredients, like this. Let me smell it for you guys. See what it smells like. Ooh, and it's like a clear, thick formula, like that. Smells herbal. It has a slight citrusy smell to it. It's not very strong, so, you know, I don't really mind that. It has like a rosemary scent to it. That's it. Yeah, the rosemary scent. All right, and then I'm gonna go into the Basic tubs here. This reminds me of the whey stuff, or herbivore stuff, I should say. Yeah, but I do like the packaging. It's very simple. All right, so the pink one is Damage Repair Treatment Mask, and the white one is a Scalp Revival Purifying Scrub. So again, this is a scalp exfoliator. It has sea salt and mint, menthol, and green coffee bean extract. So this is probably really good for those who have, you know, like dry, itchy scalp, so you can kind of exfoliate the dead skin off of that. And the Damage Repair Mask, it has green coffee bean oil and argan and coconut oil to deeply repair and nourish the hair. So let me just smell these for you. Ooh, very thick. This smells like rose. Or, yes, a little bit like rose. Like a light rose scent. It's not bad. Yeah, but it's not very strong, I would say. Okay, and then the next one is the Scalp Revival. Ooh, it has like chunks of salt in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it has like a jelly texture. And this one kind of smells minty, a very faint minty smell. So I think I'm going to really like these two. And the shampoo. And then the next one is the Amaz Professional Repair Shine Enriched Night Cream. So it says, before going to bed, lightly brush the towel, dried or dry hair, and apply an adequate amount. Go to bed without rinsing off. So this is one of those leave-in conditioners. Let me have a smell of it here as well. It's like a nice thick formula. The scent isn't very strong. Kind of has like a floral vanilla smell. It's kind of nice. Like that. And then the next two are from the same brand. This is from Moremo. I've actually tried some Moremo stuff. Their shampoo and their treatment is really, really good. And so I'm glad that they actually put these two brands in the box. So this is the Hair Essence Delightful Oil. So again, you just use this on the ends of your hair after, you know, it's dried, or you can do it probably wet as well. And then this one, let's see. This one is a revitalizing hair tonic. So let's see, where do you apply this? It says spray the hair tonic on wet scalp. After washing hair, massage gently with fingertips for better absorption. Apply throughout the day, even on dry scalp if needed. So again, this is a scalp product, and scalp health is really, really important to have healthy hair. So this is a great one for those who are, you know, dealing with kind of brittle, you know, dry hair. You know, if you take care of your scalp, the strands will also automatically become better. But also, you know, your diet has a lot to do with it as well. So let me try and smell these two. It has a, I would say, synthetic floral smell. Yeah. And this one is very, very minty. So I think when you apply this on your scalp, it'll be pretty, what is it? Pretty mentholy? Let me try it on my scalp, actually. I want to see how that works. Okay, and the nozzle is like this. So I'm guessing you just kind of spray it. It's a little cooling, but it could just be the wetness. Oh, actually, no, it is. It's cooling. Yeah. Ooh, I like it. So, you know, if you have some dryness here, you know, you could definitely spray in that area. Let's see. There you go. And I will also try the hair oil. It's very clear, watery like that. Smooth. Ugh. Oh, also, please don't mind this. I just filmed this makeup tutorial, and if you want to go see it, then please check out my previous video. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, the next one is a brush. Ooh, it has like a nice soft paddle. This is from White Rabbit. It has zigzaggy little teeth here with these little circular bumps on them. So it's probably good for like massaging your scalp. Yeah, not bad. I think I would have rather liked maybe like a hair straightener or like a hair curler instead of a brush. I think that would have been nice. But, you know, brushes are fine too. But yeah, it's very light. Perfect. Yeah. All right. So what do I think about this box? I think this is a really nice box to have if you're really into hair care. You know, you get all of these full-size products. You know, one is a brush, but I feel like other than that, you know, it's really nice. I'm really looking forward to trying these two products from Basic. And also, you know, I'm very intrigued about this Moremo Scalp Revitalizer Tonic because it has 7 plant root complex, which is 60% of it, Chrysanthemum maritimum stem cell, biotin, tocopherol, and caffeine. So yeah, definitely revitalizing. Yeah, and I'm just kind of curious to like kind of get into this booklet and getting to know more about these products. Yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this if you're really into, you know, your hair and the health of your hair, and if you haven't tried a lot of like Korean hair care products, this could be a nice, you know, first hand at some of these brands. I know that Amaz, Moremo, and White Rabbit are pretty well known. Basic and the AMH shampoo, it's my first time hearing about it in Korea, but you know, there are so many indie brands, smaller brands here in Korea, so that it's like hard to know like every single brand. But if they made it into this box, then I'm sure that they're pretty good. So yeah, this box, I'm not quite sure how much it is. Let's see. It's going to be available in the beginning of March. So it probably is available now in the States, actually. So, yeah. If you are interested in hair and Korean hair products, then definitely this is worth, I think, getting, in my opinion. So, yeah. I will probably try these and maybe do a follow-up review about all of these products. But until then, I'm sure there are many other resources online for you guys to check out. So I'm just going to close this box. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. If you like this, then please give it a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I try to film once a week and upload once a week as well. Okay. Anyways, I hope that you guys have a great day, great week, great night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!